Okay. Okay, can you see my screen now? Is it visible?
Yes, visible. Yes.
Let's close the first window. If we open file, new part, okay. Let's start part design, means 3D modeling. Okay, any doubt in sketching command, sketch workbench?
No, sir.
Okay, day 3, say okay. Okay, let's hide the plane and point. First step will be take a point at 0, 0, 0, okay. Then access system on that point. Say okay. Okay, so we are in part design, okay. Right now we are in part design. How to identify? Here you will find the gear symbol. That means we are in part design. If you over your pointer, you'll get the workbench name part design. So let's start the part design. Here you can see some geometrical sets. Geometrical sets are for the infinite element like point, line, plane, and the surfacing command means from GSD whatever you will use, it will go inside part design. Oh, sorry, the geometrical set. We will use part body or the number of bodies for part design. So if you want to insert the body, suppose I want a new body inside this part body. What I will do, I will right click and will say define in work object. That means whatever I will do over here, it will go inside this. But it is our rule, design methodology. We will never work inside part body. Okay, we will keep it as it is. So we will use insert a body. So the shortcut here you can see for insert the shortcut is alphabet I. So shortcut will be alt I and for body it will be B. See. So shortcut will be alt I B. Why body? Why B? Because for body word here you can see there is one dash below alphabet B. So shortcut will be alt I for insert, B for body, alt I B. Here you can see underline. That means this body is already defined. Okay. So if I take the position sketch, if I select this plane, my orientation is okay. So let's click on OK now. I don't want to select the background access system. I don't want to select background access system. So we will use the second mode, low light. Okay, so access system will be visible, but we will not able to select it. Let's take a rectangle, exit workbench. Here you can see. So where is our sketch? If you want to find out where is our sketch, just right click on the sketch and say center graph. If you click on it, you will in tree, you will get the sketch. On your side, if the tree size is small, means like this, you can hold the control button and scroll up from the mouse. Hold the control button, scroll down means small, scroll up means zoom out, zoom in. So this is our tree. We have inserted the body with help of alt IB. We have drawn the position sketch. Let's use the first command pad. If you click on the black arrow, here you will find some tool like pad, drafted filleted pad, and multipad. Again, let me explain you. We will not use negative command, and also in industries, in MNC's OEM, we will not use this command. This one, cancel, cancel. All negative commands will be cancelled. Again, no use of this as well. If you want to learn, you can learn this, but no use. We'll do this with another way, okay? In another way, we
So
will do it.
multi-section is definitely used, right? So the
You can use,
multi.
but I don't think means I have no, no means I have not used these commands, okay?
Okay.
Again, we will not, sorry, we will not use this, and this. Okay. Again, we have some advanced command, but for that we will need some surfacing. If I show you from the name here, you can see, sorry, see this one, surface base featured. Okay, for these commands, if you want to use this one, you will need some surface. Right now we have not done our surfacing means GSD, so we will skip this one for now. Once we start our surfacing, we will I will explain how to use these commands. Okay, so for now you have the screenshot, which commands we are going to cover, which we are going to skip. The negative commands, we will call it as negative because this command will remove material. Okay, so instead of these commands, we will use Boolean operations. Okay, we have some Boolean operations which we are going to use in MNCs as well, in projects. So let's skip this one, no use of this command. The first one, pad. So as I mentioned, every time we will insert a new body. Here you can see some bodies, body 2, body 3. Again, if I press Alt IB, I will get body 4. And once you define the body and if you have drawn a new sketch, it will be inside body 3. Okay. The body, whichever you have defined, it will be inside that body. Okay. Now my body 3 is already defined. I have drawn this sketch. Now I will use pad. If I click on more, you will get this option. If you click on the arrow, you'll find again multiple options. So just skip this one. Again, we will learn this sub, what we can say is option practically. Okay, when once we start our 3D, I will explain how to use this one. The simple one is dimension. Here you can see first limit and second limit. Let's select. Here you can see the profile. We'll have to give a profile. Now tell me, this is a open sketch or closed sketch? Is it a open profile or closed profile?
Close profile.
Closed profile. Okay, there is no open end, so select this sketch. Okay, you can just drag limit 1 and limit 2. Here you can see lim 2, lim 1 means limit 1, limit 2. Otherwise you can just double click on the dimension and you can edit, make it 100, enter. Here you can see 89, double click on it, make it 60, enter. Otherwise you can edit from here as well. You can click on the arrow if you want to increase, like this, decrease. You can click this up and down arrow, say okay. You can say preview. Here you can see we have a solid body, say okay. Done. Now again I want to draw a second body. What I will do, Alt IB, see, a new body. The body is empty, so how to identify is it empty or not? There is no plus minus symbol over here. Here you can see minus, minus, plus. If you click, you can just compress the tree. This is an empty body. Let me hide the body 3. So here you can see, if you right click and if you say hide, you can hide the body. Again right click, hide and show. So for these commands or whatever command you are using frequently, you can create the shortcut. How to create the shortcut? Right click on the toolbar, on the right side toolbar. You can right click anywhere, go to last second option, click on the black arrow, this one. Last second option is customize, click on it. It will take some time, just a minute. Okay, so go to the fifth tab, first, second, third, fourth tab, click on this. Now on the left side column here, go to the last command, just move this bar downside. Here you'll find all commands, click on it. Once you click on all command, on the right side click anywhere and say press H. Why H? Because I want the command hide and show. Press H for hide and show. Here you will find the list of all commands starting from alphabet H. So let's search for hide and show. Here you can see hide and show. Select the command, click on it and click on show properties. Once you click on show properties, here you can see accelerator. In your case, it will be blank. Suppose if you want to set the space bar from the keyboard for your hide and show command, you will have to write over here SPACE. Just write it down SPACE in accelerator and click on close. Now here you can see select the body spacebar for hide. Select the body spacebar to show the body. Now you are using position sketch multiple time. What you can do? Again right click, go to last second option, customize. Again go to commands. On the left side go to all commands. Now I want to set the shortcut for the position sketch. So position sketch alphabet will be P, starting from P. Click over here and say press P button from the keyboard, alphabet P. Here you will get all commands starting from alphabet P. So what we want? Position sketch. Position LMNO. Position QRS. Okay, position sketch. Click on show properties. Here you can see I have set up the shortcut. Control plus W. Don't press control button from the keyboard. Here you have the control button. Control, Shift, Alt, others. So what you have to do, just remove this. In your case, it will be completely blank. So press control and click over here. Put the symbol plus and W and say close. Done. Now if I press control W from the keyboard, here you can see position sketch command is activated. I will just select the plane like
Hello,
this one.
sir.
Yes, Chetan.
Sorry, sir, your screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible, everyone.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Visible, sir, visible.
Chetan,
From
please
my
check.
my side.
Okay, Chetan, please check your network.
Yes, yes, sure, sure.
Okay, okay. Let me cancel this one. If I press Control W, here you can see position sketch is activated. Now let's draw sketch on this plane. So orientation, I want the orientation like this. So tell me, V and H is okay or not okay?
Not okay, sir.
Not okay.
Need to swap.
Need to swap and
H again reverse.
reverse H. Why? Because V should be vertical, H should be on the right side. Say okay. Now here you can see, I can select the background 3D. Yes or no? See, can I select the faces? Yes. But suppose I don't want to select this one. Why? Because if I click on normal view, here is the normal view. Unnecessary, this will disturb me while drawing any sketches. Okay. So what I want to see the background 3D, but it should not be allowed to select any 3D background. So what I will do, click on low light. See, the background is visible, but I can't select any face or edge. Click on normal view. Where is normal again? This one. Now let's draw one open sketch. How to draw the open sketch? Again, like this. I will delete one side. Let's delete one side. Exit workbench. Now let's hide the body 3, the rectangle first block. Hide it. Space bar. Now tell me the sketch is open or close?
Open.
Open. Okay. Now if I click on pad, if I select the profile, you will get one error pop up. What is the meaning? You must use the thick option in order to use an open profile. This is an open profile. So click on yes. Here you will find the option thick. Activate. Now once you activate this one, you will get this two option. If you deactivate this one, see, there is no option now. Activate this one, you will get thickness and thickness 2 option. So let's keep thickness 1 as 30, thickness 2 as 15. Preview. What is the meaning of thickness 1 and thickness 2? Here you can see upside is 15, downside inside is 13 mm. Thickness is something like this, and this is a pad limit, limit 1 and limit 2. If you want to extend, if you want to extend the pad, means if you want to keep it equal length, here you have the option mirror extend. So if you change limit 1, automatically limit 2 will also change. Preview. Got it? What is the meaning of thickness 1 and thickness 2? Okay.
Upward size is thickness one, sir, and downward size thickness
Yeah.
two.
Okay. So here you can see the white line is our sketch profile. The upside is here. Here you can see this is 15 and this is 30. This is 15. This is 30. Okay. Again, suppose I want 15 on both side. See, I will click on neutral fiber.
Neutral fiber, right?
Preview. See, click on OK. Now suppose, sir, I want to measure this one. What is the total one? Here you have the measuring tool. Can you see this scale button? This one,
Yes.
measure item. Click on this. Selection 1 mode will be any geometry. Selection 2 mode will be any geometry. Select the upper face, select the lower face. What is the total thickness? 30 mm.
45.
30 mm.
Oh, sorry, sir. 30.
Okay. Click cancel. Double click on the 3D. Here I is thickness 30 mm. So 15 will be upside, 15 will be downside. Clear? What,
Yes.
what is the use
Yes.
of neutral fiber? Okay.
Equal thickness.
Equally
On.
distributed. Yeah. On both
Yes.
side. Okay. Done.
Okay.
Again, if I deactivate the mirror extend, you can keep different value limit for different value for limit 1 and limit 2. Preview. Now suppose here you can see we have 89. This is 305. Okay. But I want to reverse this one. Limit 2 should be on this side. Limit 1 will be on that side. So click on reverse direction. Preview. Okay. Done. Any doubt?
सर
No,
स्केल
sir.
वाला फिर से बताइए ना मेजर एक डायमेंशंस
Double click. Sorry, Said.
स्केल मेजरमेंट
Okay,
कैसे
scale
लेना है एक
measurement.
बार यस
Here you
यस
can see the scale. You got this tool.
यस सर
Activate this one. In selection 1 mode, click on this black arrow. Keep the first option any geometry. In the selection 2 mode, click on the black arrow and say any geometry again.
यस सर
And select both face. First click on the upper face, second click on the bottom face. Here you will get the total distance between two faces.
दिस इज द थिकनेस राइट
Yeah, this is the thickness.
यस
If you want to measure from this face till this face, this is the distance 91.45 mm.
कांस्टेंट में नहीं होगा ना सर वो
Sorry.
कांस्टेंट ऑप्शन में नहीं होगा ये
No,
थिकनेस
no, no. No, Said, we are in 3D now. Part design. We are not in
सॉरी
sketch here.
सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी
Okay.
दिस लाइक द कांस्टेंट है ना सेम
Yeah,
एज
yeah.
कांस्टेंट
No, not like constant. In constant, if you change the dimension, 3D will update.
okay
Okay.
he will just
Here,
measure the thickness
this is
or
just
and
for
angles
measurement.
yes
Yes.
yeah, okay okay
Okay. Here you can see 91.45 mm and 0 degree. 0 degree means both faces are parallel. Okay.
yes sir yes
If I select this face and this face, here you can see the distance between two faces is 0 mm because both are touching each other in contact, but the angle is
perpendicular
90 degree.
yes
Okay. Sir, all dimensions will be mm. All dimensions will be in mm. Yes. The
yes sir
complete design will be in unit. Okay.
okay sir yes
For all projects.
So just one question.
Yes, Nile.
If you want to change the units of the
units. Yeah.
system, right?
Yes, you can
Then
change it.
SI unit. Then
Yes.
where to change from the infrastructure in
Yeah.
tools options.
Go to tools option. Go to tools option. Okay. Okay. Now can you see this parameter and
Yes,
measurements?
sir. Yes,
Go
yes.
here and go to third tab units. Here right
Okay.
now for length it's millimeter. Click over here and change it. If you want centimeter, foot, inches, kilometer. Okay. But don't change
Okay.
it. It should be in mm only. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Done with the open. This was the. So where is the sketch after pad? Right click center graph. Here is your pad one, and here is your sketch. Select the sketch and spacebar. Here you can see the sketch. Hide the body 3. So where is the sketch for this one? Right click center graph. Here you will find the pad 2. Inside pad 2 you will find the sketch. This is an
So
open sketch.
what is this meaning of center graph?
Center graph means suppose I have scrolled the tree. Now here you can see on my screen you can't see my tree. Okay.
Okay.
But I want this command. So right click on the 3D, say center graph. See.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Now our tree is very small. If I use nearly 200 commands, 300 commands, then it will be difficult to find out, so where is this sketch in my tree? Where is this body in my tree? So just right click and say center graph. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now again I want to insert a new body. Alt I B. Bodify. Hide this body. Done with pad. So can we pad this spline? Let's try. Position sketch on this plane. Reverse V swap. Okay. Let's draw a spline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Escape to stop the command. Exit workbench. Here you can see the, is it a open sketch or closed sketch?
Open sketch.
Open sketch. Tell me which option should be activated.
Thicker option. Thick
Thick.
options will be up.
Yeah. So let's use. So where is the sketch now? Right click center graph. My sketch is inside bodify. Sketch name is sketch 3. Select the sketch pad. Again the error means we will have to activate the thick command. Thick. Neutral fiber is activated. Okay. 30 mm. Let's use 10 mm. Preview. Say okay. Done.
Yes.
Double click on pad. Drag the limit 1 and limit 2. Say okay. Double click on the body again. You can activate the mirror extend. Say okay. Done. Any doubt in
Yes.
pad?
No, sir.
Okay. Hide the body again. Alt IB. Again position sketch means Control W from my side. The shortcut is Control W.
I think, sir, we have also discussed shortcuts for geometrical set like alter plus I plus G, then alter
Yeah.
for. Yes,
Yes.
yes. Then.
See, suppose I want to insert the geometrical set. Here you can see the geometrical set and bodies. Geometrical sets for the surfacing and the bodies are for part design. So whatever we will use this command from part design, it should be inside part bodies, means bodies. Now suppose I want to insert a new geometrical set. So geometrical set will be inside the insert command. So for insert command, the shortcut is Alt I. Why I? Because here you can see the small underline for alphabet I. Okay. And the alphabet G will be for geometrical set. So the shortcut will be Alt IG. Alt IG. Enter. See, I got a new geometrical set. Again, I want to insert a body. Alt IB. I've got a new body. Empty body. Okay. Done. Done with this
Yes.
command. We will skip this
y-
too. No use. Position sketch again. Click on this one. Say OK. Now let's use the shaft command. For shaft, what I will do? Let's draw a rectangle like this and exit workbench. So here you can see a close sketch. I will use shaft command. Click on it. Again, click on more. Same like pad. Here you will find limit 1 and limit 2. Okay. Means first angle, second angle. For the pad, there will be limit 1, limit 2. For the shaft, there will be first angle, second angle. Profile will be same like pad, select the profile. And for the shaft command, we will need one axis system for the rotation. So here axis, let's select the
Sir,
Z.
one doubt in that.
Yes, Said.
Sir, first, please explain first angle and second angle.
Yes, I will explain just a minute. Okay. For
Yes,
the
sir.
axis, if we select this one, now here you can see limit 1 and limit 2. Yes, Said. Can you see? The
Yes, sir.
limit 1 is first angle
Okay,
and
okay, sir.
limit 2
Yes.
is second angle. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
For the second angle, you can put the value in minus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Say preview.
Clear.
Again, if you want the thickness option, here you can see it is a complete solid cylinder. If you want the hollow cylinder with some thickness, just activate this one. The same option, let's put 6 mm preview. See, we got the thickness of 6 mm. Now it is inside thickness. Let's give outside thickness 20 mm preview. See, inside is 6, this is 6, and outside is this is 6 and this is 20. Again, you have the same option neutral fiber. So total will be 6, 3 mm upside, 3 mm downside. Let's make it 20 now. Preview. Got it? Say
Yes, sir.
OK.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Double click. OK. Done. Any doubt in Sharp?
Yeah. No, sir. Just two things left also from the last lecture.
Hmm.
You also told us for shortcut for alter plus F plus N for new file. So
Yes. See, file. See, shortcut will be simple. You can
okay,
search for the shortcuts. How to search? Here you can see. Suppose I want to open a new file. So open new file will be inside files. So for the file shortcut is F, alphabet F. Here you can see small underline below F.
okay,
So shortcut will be Alt F. And for the new, what is the shortcut?
N.
Alt F N.
Okay,
You can select the part file
okay,
and say OK. A new file. Here you can put the name. Say OK. I got a new file. Okay.
okay, okay, sir.
And once you open a new file right now in my CATIA, I have two files. This is the file what I open and the previous file where I was working. So click
Okay,
on Windows and click on Tile vertically. Here you can see both windows. This is my working file, today's working file, day 3, and this is a new file what I opened just now. You can work on both file. Okay.
okay, sir.
If you want to, if you want this Windows horizontal, go to Windows horizontal. Same. This is day 3 and date part 2 file. Okay. Okay. If I want to work inside this file, what I will do, I will click on this maximize button. Now I want to switch my windows. Control tab from the keyboard. Control tab. This is my new file part 2. Again control tab. This is my working file day 3. Again control tab part 2. Again control tab part 3. If you have 5 files open in your CATIA session, you can press control tab 5 times. No issue. Just to switch your working files. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Done with shaft. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Let's hide the shaft. So can we use open sketch for the shaft? Let's try. Alt
उसमें
IB.
thick का option आएगा फिर.
Yeah, we will have to activate thick. Click on ISO view. Sorry. Position sketch. On this one, say OK. Let's draw a spline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exit. This point should be on V if I want to create a pot. So constraint V and the end point right click, say coincide. Okay, let's keep like this. So this is an open sketch. Okay, exit workbench. Now again I will use shaft command, but this time the sketch is open, so I will have to use thick command. Shaft this profile, again error method. Okay, we have not got the error window, but active if I okay sorry if I select the axis, yeah, now I got the error window. The we will have to activate the thick command. Okay, so click on OK, thick command. Now here you can see, sorry, see limit 1, limit 2. Okay, sir, I want to close this one. Click on the here, make it 0 and make it 360. Enter. Done. Clear, everyone? Chetan, others, Ankit,
Yes, sir.
Said.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, let's hide this one. Jay, clear? Abhay,
Yes, sir.
Hemant. Okay. Done with shaft. Okay. Let me show you one trick again. Alt IB for a new body. Position sketch on this one again. Say okay. Let's draw a rectangle again, like this. Exit workbench. So instead of in axis selection, instead of this one, can I select this one? Yes. Go to shaft. In profile, select the profile. And in axis system, you can give this as axis as well. Preview. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
You can change the angle. If you click on the arrow, it will be reverse. Preview. The arrow means this button, reverse direction. Okay. Same like pad. Say okay. Done. Done with shaft. Now the rib. Again Alt IB. For rib, we will need two sketch. Two sketch should be on perpendicular planes. Okay. Once if suppose the first sketch is on this plane, second sketch we will try to draw on this one or this one. Why? Because these two planes are perpendicular to this plane. Okay, so let's I have taken a new body. Position sketch on this plane. The orientation is not okay, so let's swap and say reverse edge. Okay, let's draw a small circle like this. Exit. Now I had drawn the circle on y plane. This is my y plane. Now let's draw the second sketch on perpendicular plane, means x plane. Position sketch. Orientation is okay. I want to draw like this, so orientation is okay. Click on OK. Now let's draw a spline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exit. So is it mandatory that this sketch should intersect this one? No. In slot, no. Oh, sorry, in rib, no. Here you can see we have this sketch. The first one, right click center graph. Here you can see two sketches, sketch 7 and sketch 8. First sketch is on y plane. Second sketch is on x plane. Now activate the command rib. Profile will be the close profile. Center curve will be this one, which will act as a guide, as a path. Say preview. Got it? So can we make it hollow? Yes. Activate thick profile again. Change the thickness, make it 6 mm. Preview. See, it's hollow. Say okay. Here you can see the profile and the path. So is it mandatory that path should be smooth? No. Alt IB. Let me hide this body again. Now let me draw the position sketch on this plane. It will be a profile. So let's draw a rectangle, a sharp with sharp corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Exit. Now guide will be on which plane? Quickly.
X plane, sir.
It
Y plane.
not explain side. We
Y
have
plane.
drawn profile on explain.
Y plane it will be.
Y or Z plane.
Yes.
So let's draw on top plane means Z plane. I want to draw like this. So V should be reverse. H should be reverse. Say okay. Side clear, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sorry for
Okay, no issue.
understanding with this.
1, 2, 3, 4. Exit. Exit workbench. Here you can see this will be my guide and this will be my profile, the triangle. Rib, profile will be the triangle and center curve means the guide, this one. Preview. Say okay. Sir, can I make it hollow? Yes. Double click and activate the thick command. Preview. Say okay. See, it is hollow.
Practically, sir, is it possible to make such part or?
No, 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 no. Just I'm just explaining you that you can use a sharp line, sharp corner lines. Okay.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Okay, sir. While using the mouse, remember in day one or day two, I mentioned that I will show you, I will explain you one trick how to move the 3D. If suppose I want to work near this portion, so this portion should be on in the center of your screen. So what you have to do, just middle click in this portion, middle click. See, once you middle click on that portion, it will be on in center of your screen. Now you can rotate. Now suppose I want to zoom over here, middle click and zoom. See, it is moving very fast. So click over here. Now you can just rotate and you can zoom. Got it? Just middle click.
Yes, sir.
In which portion you want to work, just middle click over there and you can just zoom and rotate. Okay, done with the rip command. So can we use open sketch for both the profile as well as the guiding curve? Yes. Alt IB, hide this body, ISO view, position sketch on this one, reverse edge swap. Okay, let's draw one open profile like U profile like this. Exit. Now exit workbench. Now tell me side on which plane should I draw the guide? Center curve.
Sir, X plane or Z plane?
X plane means this one or Z plane will be this one. Perfect.
Yes.
Let's take the position sketch on this plane. Say okay. X plane. Let me draw a second spline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exit. Exit workbench. Now here you can see this is also open. This is also open. Let's take a rip command. This will be my first profile. Yes. Center curve will be this one. We will have to just activate thick option. Preview. Done. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear, Ankit, Hemant, Nilay, Abhay,
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Chetan? Okay. Let's hide this one now. Done with pad, done with shaft, ribs. Okay. We also learn how to create the shortcut, how to find out the shortcut for any commands. Okay. Even though if you right click over here, you will find some alphabets where you will find a small dash below it. So here you can see defining work object. So suppose if you want to work inside this body, you should define this body. So how to define? Right click, define work object. Here you can see the underline. But if I want to define body 8, the shortcut will be right click. Here you can see the alphabet, which is the alphabet for defining work object, Chetan. The alphabet is
W.
Yes,
define in work object. Alphabet is, can you
uh,
see the small dash
yes, yes, yes.
where?
Below the body,
No, no, no,
when
no,
this
no.
is active.
F.
No, no. On this command, can you see a small dash below F? Abhay.
Yes, F, sir.
So this will be the shortcut. Here you can see for head and show, shortcut is H. For center graph, the shortcut is E. For reframe on, it is R. So define in work object, the shortcut will be F. So shortcut will be right click F from the keyboard. Right click F from the keyboard. Right click F. I want, suppose if you want to hide this body, right click H. If I want to hide this body, right click H. Or just select this spacebar. Got it? How to find out
Yes.
shortcut?
Sir, I have one question. Is
Yes,
I
Chetan.
can I create a own shortcut,
Yes,
or it
yes,
is a
yes. You
okay,
can
okay.
create the shortcut. How to create? Right click, go to
And
customize.
second, yes,
Last second, go to command. Just go to your all command, last option, this one, all command.
yes,
Here
sir.
you will find all options, all tools. Just you can click the tool, go to show properties. Just in accelerator, you can create the shortcut.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay, done this, done. Done with these commands, okay? Okay. Now let's learn this command, some dress up features, okay? Suppose the toolbar is vertical. I want this toolbar vertical. How to do it? Hold the tool like this, hold the shift button and release your mouse button. It will be horizontal. The command name is dress up features. If I click on the black arrow, here you can see the black arrow, click on it, pull out this command. The first command is fillet, second command is variable fillet, third command is caudal fillet, fourth command is face to face fillet, and the fifth command is right tangent fillet. Let's use one by one. Okay, now again I will define the last body, right click F to define the body. We'll say Alt IB. Now hide this body. Okay, I had taken a new body, empty body, position sketch on this plane like this, swap and reverse edge, say okay. Now we will draw one rectangle like this, exit workbench. Okay, now let me use a pad command. Let's extend on both sides. This is limit 2, pull it, and limit 1, pull it, say okay. Okay, from dress up feature, if I click on the black arrow and here if you drag the tool outside, first command will be the simple fillet command. So what is simple fillet command? Fillet means the corner command. Remember in sketch we have corner command. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In sketcher we have corner command. Same in 3D we have fillet command. Here you can see 90-degree face with this edge. So this edge is common. We will call it as sharp edge. Okay. So suppose if I want to make this smooth corner, what I will do? Select the activity command, fillet, select the edge, and here you can put the value. Let's make it 30 mm. Click on preview. Okay, let's increase the value, make it 80 mm. Click anywhere, say preview and say okay. Got it? Now tell me, here you have two edges. Tell me these are the smooth edges or these are the sharp edges.
Smooth edge.
These are smooth edges. Okay, this is only for representation. Okay, but these are not the smooth edge. These are the sharp edge. Sir, how to identify is it a smooth edge or sharp edge? You have this option with different mode. Can you see the cylinder on your screen quickly? You got
Yes.
this tool? Abhay, Chetan, Said?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Shading with edge.
Yeah. You
Yes,
got
yes.
this tool, click on the black arrow. Here you will find multiple tools. Drag it out like this. Okay. The first option is shading. Click on it. There will be no sharp edge visibility. Okay. If you activate the second option, you will get all edges, means smooth edges as well as the sharp edge. If you activate the third option, shading with edges without smooth edges, activate this option, third one. See, smooth edges are gone. Gone means not visible, but here you can see the sharp edges, yes or no.
Yes.
So
Yes.
mostly we will work inside the second options, means with edges, and the third option just to cross check. We will use the third option just to cross check whether there is sharp edge or not. Okay. Once we start our operations, there will be some chances that there will be some sharp edges, even though we are applying the fillet. So in that case, we will go to the third option, activate. Then we will check is there any sharp edge or not. If the edge is not visible, then it will be a smooth edge. If edges are visible like this and this and this one, that means these are the sharp edges. Clear? The second and third option.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So can we apply fillet in one shot? Yes. Right click. Now I want to see. Nila, you asked this question. So what is the use of center graph? Now can you see in the tree where is our this command? Edge fillet?
No. No.
No. Right click on this one, say center graph. Now can you see? It is highlighting.
Y- Okay. Means
The
basically, we can say that to identify the command where it is,
commands.
we just need to
Yeah.
right click on that feature and just
Center graph.
select center graph.
Yes. Now
Okay.
suppose in the same command I want to add this sharp edge as well. So double click on it. This red edge is already selected. Here you will find one box. We will call it as multi-selection box. Okay. Click on it. Now you can select multiple edges. One, two, three. Say okay. Done. If
Sir,
you want
please
to,
repeat this step.
please repeat. Double click on the command. Say undo. Let me do undo. Okay. Side we have applied one command on the sharp edge,
Yes,
the
sir.
edge
Feel it.
fillet. Edge
Yes.
fillet. Okay. Double click on this one. In the same command I want to add this corner, this the bottom two corner. So here we have multi-selection box. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Click on it. You will get a small window. Then select one, the second, and the third as well. Means or full. Can you see four elements? Click on
Yes.
multi-selection. Can you
Yes,
see
sir.
H one, H2, H3, H4?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Close the window. Say preview. See, you can change the value, make
Okay.
it 100 mm.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Enter.
Thank you. Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now
Sir.
so okay. Now suppose I don't want to apply fillet on this sharp edge. What I will do? I want to remove this edge. What I will do? Double click on the command again to edit. Click on the multi-selection. Okay. Now, sir, I have edge 1, edge 2, 3, and 4. But this edge, what is the name for this edge? No worries. Just click on the multi-selection and select the same edge again. Done. Preview. Okay. Got it? It is removed from the edge command. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Now, sir, in same command, I want to change the value. So I want this 60 mm, this 100 mm, this is 90 mm. No, this is not possible. Okay. For this different value, you will have to again apply the same command, select the sharp edge, and let's apply value of 150, enter. Or let's say 20 mm, enter. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. This is the edge fillet. Again, activate the command, select this edge, 60 mm. Preview, okay. Can you see? Tell me, we are working in which mode? First, second, or third? Which mode we are
First
working?
one.
No,
Second
no.
Third, sir.
mode.
Third, without smooth edges. Okay.
Without smooth edges, yes.
So smooth edges are not visible, but here you can see this is the sharp edge. Okay, done. Again, if you want to apply fillet, again edge fillet, the sharp edge. Okay, let me tell you what is the benefit. Can you see? Let me delete this edge and again double click on this one. I want to remove this one. So click on multi selection and again select the same one. See, it is gone now. Say okay. Now see, I have edited over here. In between, I had done some changes. So this command will be in update mode. That's why the complete body is in red color. Okay. So I will have to update this command. So right click and say local update. Done. So why, if I double click on this command, can you see if you have the smooth edge, here you can see you have the smooth edge. So even though if you select the one edge, it will flow continuously with the help of tangency propagation. Can you see selection mode tangency? Yes.
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 So even though if you are giving input, this edge if you are selecting, it will flow like this. So why it stop over here? Because it is a sharp corner. Yes, it is a sharp corner. It will not flow downside. Say okay. Got it? So it stop. Again, here you can see we have the sharp corner over here and here. Yes, but here we have the smooth corners. So even though if I apply the edge fillet and if I give this edge as an input, it will flow. See, automatically. Change the value 30 mm, enter. Got it?
Yes.
What is the benefit of smooth edges, smooth corners? Now here you can see all corners are smooth. So even though if I select this edge and select the command, automatically it will flow. Change the value, make it 50, enter, done. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Perfect. Any doubt till this point?
No.
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 Okay. So please try this command. Let's stop this session for today because right now after 9 p.m. we will have the advanced session. Okay. Project discussions, project work. Okay.
Okay.
So let's stop. Those who wants to continue the advanced batch as well, you can continue. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.